This digital product is quietly making this seller $9,481 per month. And most people don't realize how powerful it is, and they don't even realize how easy it is to produce. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple 3-step solution: how to find profitable digital products like this, how to validate this, and how to create this using AI. Once you understand this, you can repeat this again and again. Now, very quickly, just for context, this is called frame TV art, which literally shows you a piece of art that you can actually save as a screensaver on your TV and actually have it on as a piece of art. And you can see examples of this on my screen right now. In this case, it's a very simple, beautiful watercolor painting of a nativity scene, and this seller has understood the power of producing a digital product also at the right time, ready for and listed up months before Easter, which is actually very smart. So now that we know that this is making money, let's go into Everbee to find the proof that this actually is not just a fluke or a one-off. Let's make sure that this is a profitable niche. So here you can see it's actually making $9,481, and it's only a 2-month-old listing, right? Which is absolutely fantastic numbers. So let's go into Everbee, my go-to research SEO tool, to make sure that this is not a one-off, that this is actually a niche one can get into. So let's check this out. Okay, I'm in Everbee right now, and I'm obviously looking for numbers, making sure that this is not just a one-off, but I can see many different frame TV art listings for different sellers also making money. So I want to see consistent sales, lots of different sellers, and yeah, people actually happy to pay the money. So I've just typed in frame TV art. I'm in product analytics in Everbee, and I'm going to just sort it by revenue just very quickly. And you can see there are lots of frame TV art sellers here, lots of them, from making 9,481, 7,000, 5,000, 5,000. So there are sellers making money in this niche, and I've only typed in frame TV art, but I can see that this is a niche that people can make money in. I think in this kind of niche, the more you give value to the customer, like making bundles, the better, and also making sure that you catch those trends for the times of the year, like the example I showed you, nativity for Easter, or having those frame TV arts for other times of the year like Halloween, Christmas. Those are very big for frame TV art also. And this is an example of this, which is 300 all season frame TV arts making over 7,898, and its growth rate is 200%, which means that it is very popular. So this tells me there is real demand. So if you want to do this kind of research, I've linked Everbee below and you can try it out for free. Anyway, once we've seen the numbers and validated it and looked at the proof, now we can move on to creating this using AI. So let's jump onto Kittle. I've jumped onto Kittle, my design, AI, and editing platform, which is absolutely fantastic. You don't need any drawing skills. You don't need any creative or artistic skills at all. This will do everything for you. That's why it's so good. So if you want to try this yourself, I've linked Kittle below. I've also got 25% off all the plans if you use my promo code of AJYT, but you can try it out for free. So let's get into this. Okay, first of all, we go to new project in the top corner. So we click this. Okay, so I need to make sure I get the sizing right. So I want to type in 3840 pixels by 2160. Remember, make sure that you get the sizing correct for this, and also make sure that you got the correct DP height. Go for 300, which makes sure the quality is good, and then you click create. Okay, so that is the sizing for my frame TV art. And now that I'm on this, I need to create a very simple prompt. Now, let's say I want to also create something in that sort of Easter theme, which seems to be quite popular, but obviously I want to create my own idea, my own design. Now, this is going to be created using AI. And you can see that the different design models are over here. When you click at the bottom, there's lots of really good quality design models like Ideogram, Seedream, Flux, and so forth. I'm going to use Nano Banana, which is really good quality and very fast. It takes about 15 seconds to produce. So I'm going to say create a watercolor nativity scene in a vintage style. Now remember, I've kept the prompt quite simple. I'm going to go for a sort of nativity scene. I can go for other things sort of Christian related, which seems quite popular during the Easter time. Obviously, depending on the time of year that you're going for, you need to think about what kind of design images you want to sell. Obviously, go to Everbee to see what's popular, what's selling, so that you've got the evidence. I'm going to keep the prompt quite simple just for this video. I haven't overcomplicated it, but obviously if I want to, I can add a lot more information. For example, what kind of nativity scene I want, what things I want to be included in it, and so forth. But for this video, I'm just going to try and keep it simple prompt and then see what it comes up with. Obviously, I can change it as I go along. So I've said that. Now I'm going to create the image, right? Kept it simple, but generally I would like to add a lot more detail in my prompts. So click generate. I've actually added just a little bit more, said make sure it looks like a landscape painting, just to give it a little bit more information, and then click generate. Okay, so it's created a painting for me. Not really quite what I wanted, so I'm going to change it slightly. So I want to say create a dark vintage minimalistic. There's too much going on this one, and I know that the minimalistic ones are way better in terms of popularity. So create a dark vintage minimalistic nativity scene. I've already said vintage style. I'm going to go with that. I'm going to delete this one and see what that comes up with. Okay, that looks pretty good. That's quite nice. Very minimalistic, actually. Now, what I need to do is I want to get this kind of design, because don't forget, this is going to fit into my frame TV sort of art. And I really like the fact that it's sort of onto this sort of paper, which will look great on the TV. Look at that. It's really, really nice. Very, very simple, very minimalistic, right? And that's the kind of thing you want. Now, you need to obviously make sure what kind of designs are working as well. So I'm very happy with that. All I need to do is share this or download it. So you go to export, just double check the sizing here, make sure DPI, make sure it's a PNG, optimize the quality. I don't need to remove the background, I like it as it is, then click download. And this is what successful sellers do, guys. They don't overcomplicate things. They keep things simple. What they see that is data driven, that works, that sells. Pick a style, create variations, and that's how momentum is built. So if you like this video, remember to hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.